Welcome to Vidtechy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll cover how to incorporate an external link in the end screen on YouTube. Typically, YouTube allows us to include our end screen within the video. Usually, we add our other YouTube videos or external playlists. However, there's an additional option: adding external links to our website or any other link. What are the requirements for this? Firstly, your video must be at least 25 seconds long. If it's shorter, you can't add the end screen. Additionally, you must be part of the YouTube Partners program to add links. If you're not eligible for the program, you can't include links in your end screen. The end screen isn't available for videos made for kids or those in YouTube Music apps, mobile web and 360 videos. Now let me guide you on how to add the end screen and an external link. Before that, if you're unfamiliar with the end screen, search how to add an end screen to a YouTube video on YouTube and watch a relevant video to understand it better. Our Vidtechy video is one such example. Now let's proceed with adding the end screen. I'll demonstrate step by step as I upload a new video to my channel. Vidtechy is an all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing, and I've already prepared everything inside the video. I'll copy and paste everything and click Next. Under the video element, you can add the end screen. During video upload, click Add. And there's an option to add a video, playlist, subscribe link, channel URL and an external link. To enable this, you must be in the YouTube Partners program. Click the link option, copy your external URL. Mine goes to vidtechy.com and click Apply. You can edit the custom message and choose a call to action button. You can't add only links. Include another video or playlist. Click Save. Now you've successfully added the end screen with an external URL. Click Next. Then Publish. Once the video is ready, you can open it, and you'll see the external link in the end screen. Anyone clicking the link will be redirected to vidtechy.com. That's how you add external links to the end screen on your YouTube videos. If you've already added a video and want to add an end screen, go to the editor, select End Screen, and add the link. For further assistance, contact our support. We hope you find this information helpful. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more valuable videos on YouTube marketing. Thank you for watching.